Hi, today we are going to see demo for complaint management app. So let's start XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL. MySQL is our backend database. To see the backend database, click on the admin button. It will promote you to the web browser. The left hand side you can see your project database complaint. You can select and expand to see the project tables. So these are all the project tables. You can see the registered user details. Next, open Android Studio. In left hand side you can see the source code, and below the minimize button you can see the AVD manager. Open AVD manager and launch the Android emulator. Okay, so the emulator is already loaded. Open our complaint management app. So here we have three roles: officer, admin and user. User is public. So let's start with admin login. admin@gmail.com, password is test. So admin can able to create officers, okay, in different departments and different, okay. For that you can add the different locations. For example, if you want to add a police officer officer in Delhi, means you can provide the different locations. You can able to update and delete the cities. So once we add the locations, you can add the officer details. Email ID will be the login ID for them. Now you have to choose the officer location and department. The officer can able to see the corresponding location only, and admin can able to see all the department details, how much complaints has created, how much is pending, and they can able to view the complaint details also. Next we will move for a user module. I will start with the user registration. Enter the user details. So user has created successfully. Now I start with the user login. Login successful. So what user can do is user can register a complaint. They can able to manage their my profile. If you want to, you can change your username, password or mobile number. To create a new complaint, go for a post complaint and register the complaint details like your name and which location from you and what is the complaint description. Here you have to select the corresponding location, that whatever the city we have added, it will come over here, and the complaint is pipe leakage, and you can write the complaint description over here. And I'm just submitted. The complaint has been registered as successfully, and you can check your status in my complaint. So whatever you have registered, it will be available over here. You can search by your name and the complaints. You can see the complaint status is pending now. So here the complaint status is pending. You can add or edit if you want. If you want to add your address location in Google Map, you click on the update map, and here you can able to drag and drop the red bubble and click on the update geo, so that the Google Map will capture your latitude and longitude. It helps the officer to resolve your problem. And you can able to upload your photo image as a proof. So once you capture the proof in your photo, you just click on upload proof, and from your gallery upload the proof. Now the image is updated. You can see the image over here, and the status is currently pending. So once they resolve, the officer will post what is the reason and solution, and as a proof they will be uploading another image from the officer side. And also you can have the admin contact. So if you want to contact the admin, you can see the admin contact over here. And I'm logged out from user login and move for the officer login. So you have to log in with the corresponding pipe leakage department. Okay, so only the pipe leakage department will get pipe complaint. The street light complaint will go for the street light officer. So login successful with officer login. So officer will be tracking the complaint registry and overall report. So we have registered the complaint. It came over here. So he will be assigning with his team, and once it is resolved, he will be updating the status to completed. So once it is resolved, he will be uploading the solution solved image, whether it is completed proof. Okay, and he will be updating the status from pending to completed. So now the report is pending now. So pending is 1. Now the complaint is completed now, and he will be providing the reason, what kind of reason it is, and what is the remedy you have taken, and some notes for the complaints. So the status is completed now. The user can see the solved image over here. So you can see the complete total report. The completed is 1 now. An officer can able to see the customer details who are all registered to this app. Okay, for to contact them, customer details is visible over here. So that's all for the officer login. So from the user login, if you log in to this account, you can see the updated status, and for the admin also the count and report will be going